Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the secondary hard drive, remove the screw on the right side cover. Unlatch and lift the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Remove the 4 screws securing the hard drive to the assembly. Lift the hard drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the secondary hard drive, place it back in the assembly and secure it with the 4 screws. Place the assembly back in the system. Tighten the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Relatch the right side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.